So as you can see, we have installed the Simplify batteries. Let me come closer so that you take a good look. We have installed the Simplify batteries, and they are lithium-ion batteries. These batteries will give you a lifespan of 27 years of use, and they are made in America. One battery of this supplies 3.8 kilowatt per hour. We also have a 7.2 kilowatt inverter. So with this inverter, it is big enough to help you power almost all the things in the house. Right next to the inverter, we have the remote monitoring unit. So this is basically to assist the client who is abroad or out of the country to monitor his or her system wherever he is around the world. So right here we also have the control unit. So this is where we have the breakers for the PVs and the SPD and the AC out breakers. So when I open the consumer unit, we'll see the two breakers, these ones. So these ones are the breakers to protect the power from the panels, and we also have the SPDs. So these are for the lighting, to protect the system from lighting. And we have the AC out breaker. So that is basically to regulate what goes into the house. So with this, we make sure that your system is well protected and you won't have any issues of your house getting burnt from the solar system.